Chris Young here. Thinking about touring the country, going where you want, when you want? Today, I want to take you on a tour of the High Country, the Keystone Montana High Country series of fifth wheels. They're full profile and most are built for 4-season camping ready so you can camp year round. What do you say we take a look at some dimensions and floor plans? The Keystone Montana High Country line runs in length from 34 feet to just over 41 feet and tips the scales in unloaded weight from around 10,800 pounds to just over 13,600 pounds. Now, as far as floor plans, the Keystone Montana High Country fifth wheels come in a wide variety, with some of them having what I'm going to call a twin sister. They're nearly alike but have a single difference. The even numbers have a 12 cubic foot RV fridge, while the odd numbers come with an 18 cubic foot residential fridge. You'll see where I'm going with this as we step into the first Montana High Country, the 294 and 295 RL, both of which have room for 4 to sleep. Both of them are rear living floor plans with 2 huge opposing slides, creating a ton of space right there in the living area. A large slide pulls out a pair of power theater seats and a freestanding dinette. Across the space, you'll find an HD TV with an LED fireplace and a range, kitchen cabinets, and the fridge on the slide. That fridge, 12 cubic foot RV fridge in the 294 RL, 18 cubic foot residential fridge in the 295 RL. The rest of the living area layout has a large kitchen island with a double bowl sink, a hide-a-bed sofa on the rear wall, and a pantry and coffee station on an interior wall. In the middle of this floor plan sits a good-sized bathroom with a neo-angle shower and pivot hinge door. Up front, you're going to find the bed on a slide. Point in fact, every Montana High Country fifth wheel, except for a set of particular models, which I'll get to later, has the bed on a slide. The 294, 295 RL's beds share the bedroom with a wardrobe closet prepped for a washer and dryer. The entire front cap is all dresser and wardrobe closets. That's the first of 5 rear living floor plans. Next, we have a solo layout, the 305 RL. Capable of sleeping 4, this one has 3 slides with 2 in the living area opposing each other. One slide contains the range, fridge, entertainment center with LED fireplace. The opposite slide holds power theater seats and a freestanding dinette. The rear wall is dominated by a large hide-a-bed sofa. Up front, the cap is filled with a wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. Next up, we have another set of fraternal twins, the 330 and 331 RL. What this duo does is take the main living area and stretch it out. The 330 and 331 RL takes the one of the slides in the living area and drops in a pantry between the HD TV fireplace combo and the kitchen appliances. The opposing slide has larger power theater seats to go with the freestanding dinette. The kitchen island is also made slightly larger. Up front, the washer-dryer prep combo moves up front with the large wardrobe closet. The bathroom has a large double sink vanity and a full-size shower. The 330 and 331 RL have beds for 4 sleepy campers. Now, moving up the Montana High Country rear living scale, I come to the 344 and 345 RL. Limited in availability, these models have the standard hide-a-bed sofa covering the entire back wall, which makes their sleep number at 4, but then takes the rest of the living area and shifts it around within the slide-outs. One holds the power theater seats, the other houses the major kitchen appliances. Opposite these 2 slides, you'll find a slide containing the freestanding dinette and the large entertainment center with LED fireplace. In the middle sits a kitchen island, and a full-size pantry and additional countertop space finishes off that kitchen right there. The front of the 344, 345 RL has the front cap filled with a wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. And the bathroom has that pivot hinge door plus a full-size shower. The final rear living floor plans are rear den layouts, the 372 and 373 RD. They have a true rear den with steps leading up to a massive entertainment center fireplace combo covering the entire rear wall. A pair of hide-a-beds on opposing slides, plus power theater seats. With the hide-a-beds, this model can easily sleep 6 in camp comfort. Now moving up the layout and back down the stairs, there's a very large kitchen area with a deep L-shaped counter, full-size pantry, and a slide pulling out the freestanding dinette and fridge. Up the second set of steps, you'll see the large bathroom with double sink vanity and full-size shower. The bedroom keeps the wardrobe closet with the washer-dryer prep right there in the cap. So now we move along to the family-focused fifth wheels, one of my favorites, the bunkhouses. First up are the 334, 335 BH. In the back, you'll find a true bunk room that has a solid door for privacy. This room has a pair of twin bunks on a slide coming out the rear wall, a private half bath, and a loft above the room with twin bunk mats. As such, there's room for a total of 7 to sleep. The living area has opposing slides. One pulls out the freestanding dinette and power theater seats. Opposite slide pulls out the TV LED fireplace combo and major kitchen appliances. In the middle, you'll have a nice kitchen island. The bedroom slide has been expanded to include a wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. The front cap has additional wardrobe closets as well as a long dresser. A pocket door has been added to allow private access from the bedroom into the bathroom. Next up, I have a solo model, the 362 RD, which is kind of a hybrid, so to speak. It's a rear den in nature, as the private room in the back does have theater seats and entertainment. However, it also has a hide-a-bed sofa and a pair of twin bunks, ergo it's technically a bunkhouse. The bunk room also has a private half bath with access from the exterior. Kids will love that. In the living area, you'll find a large slide holding a freestanding dinette and more power theater seats. Across from this slide is a slide pulling out the fridge and range, sitting next to a uniquely angled HD TV and LED fireplace. Finally, in the kitchen, you'll get a full-size pantry with washer-dryer prep. Up the steps, you'll find the bathroom with a full-size shower, the front cap filled with a massive wardrobe closet, plus an additional closet with shelves. The 362 RD can sleep up to 6. Our next set of twin sisters is now the 364 and 365 BH. Let's start in the back with the bunk room. A twin bunk with a hide-a-bed sofa is housed in a slide, and a bunk also sits across from the slide. With these, plus the bedroom, you'll be able to have room for 6 to sleep comfortably. This room has a private half bath as well. Moving into the living area, you'll notice the longer length stretches out the middle. The opposing slides are offset to enhance the size and make it easier for you to take advantage of the power theater seats sitting directly in front of an angled HD TV. Along with the theater seats, this slide contains a freestanding dinette. Diagonally across from the living space and over the kitchen island is the other large living area slide containing all major kitchen appliances and a good-sized pantry. Up front, the bathroom is just like the 362 RD. The bedroom is similar, but moves the washer-dryer prep back into the front cap. The final 2 bunkhouse floor plans are the 384, 385 BR. The BR stands for bunk room, and this model has a sweet one smack dab in the middle. This bunk room has a hide-a-bed sofa on a slide and a queen loft right above it. Completing the room is a desk and wardrobe closet. The back end of the 384, 385 BR is effectively a rear living floor plan with a hide-a-bed dominating the back wall and the opposing slide-outs containing the power theater seats and freestanding table on one side, the entertainment center with HD TV and fireplace, plus the kitchen appliances on the other. Up front, the bathroom with its full-size shower echoes some of the other models, of course, as does the bedroom with its cap full of wardrobe closet and, of course, washer-dryer prep. This large fifth wheel can sleep up to an impressive 8 campers. Tell you what, that's going to be a good night's sleep with all those bunks too. Bunkhouse is now complete. How about a kitchen model? For the cook-loving camper, there's the 321 MK. Limited in availability, its front end has the bathroom with double bowl vanity sinks and the massive wardrobe closet with washer-dryer prep right there in the front cap. It's the back end where this MK model shines, and boy does it. The opposing slides open up the living area, which, to be frank, is centered around the kitchen. One slide contains the freestanding dinette and power theater seats, while the other one houses a nice-sized counter with the range, full-size pantry, LED fireplace, and a telescoping HD TV. A large kitchen island sits right there in between. The back wall holds the fridge as well as a desk with drawers. To finish off the living area, a hide-a-bed sofa has been dropped in perpendicular to the theater seats. So the 321 MK can sleep a total of 4. So now I'm going to move on to the Montana High Country's only front living floor plans, the 374 and 375 FLs, and the 376 and 377 FLs. Now the 374, 375 front cap is all large entertainment system with a telescoping HD TV and an LED fireplace, a pair of hide-a-beds on respective opposing slides, and a set of theater seats complete the front living look. You'll find a large kitchen with a slide to pull out the fridge and freestanding dinette across from a wide L-shaped kitchen counter. The back end has the master bedroom with a wardrobe closet spanning the entire back wall and washer-dryer prep built into the bathroom wall. The 374, 375 FL can sleep up to 6. Unique to both of these sets is the entry doors on both sides of the models. One is campside near the front, the other off campside near the master bedroom. The only difference the 376, 377 FLs possess is a loft with twin bunks above the master bedroom and corresponding steps to get there, so it can sleep up to 8 happy campers. Technically, I guess you could call that one a bunkhouse. I just call this floor plan fun because when you get in it, that's exactly what you're going to have. So finally, I get to the set of Montana High Country floor plans where the main bed is not set in a slide out. These are the Montana High Country toy haulers. First up, we have the 380, 381 TH. Effectively, this floor plan is the same as a front living floor plan, only the bed is centered on the back wall rather than inside a slide. Up front, you'll find the classic opposing hide-a-bed sofas, power theater seats, and front cap filled with a large entertaining area with a telescopic HD TV and fireplace. In the middle sits the sunken kitchen with an L-shaped counter and freestanding dinette and fridge in a slide-out. The unique toy hauler aspect of this model sits in the main bedroom. Under the bed is a below-floor garage with about 7 feet of depth. In the bedroom, you'll also find the washer-dryer prep and a wardrobe slide-out. This floor plan can sleep up to 6. Our final set of Montana High Country floor plans is the 382, 383 TH. Also a toy hauler, this one has the front den section and rear den bedroom set up to accommodate the below-floor garage. However, the kitchen counter is a large U shape with the range and sink in different positions. Sleeping capacity? How about a healthy 6? So floor plans done, let's talk about the features. Quite a lineup of Montana High Country fifth wheels, right? Not only do you get a wide variety of floor plans, any Montana High Country comes with some seriously fantastic features. It's hard to name just a few, but I'm going to try to hit the highlights for you. Inside, you're going to find camp comfort with 78-inch tall main slide-outs, 15,000 BTU AC, in-floor heat duct system, and a 30-inch LED fireplace. In the kitchen, you'll be camp happy with the deep double bowl stainless steel sink, a high-rise faucet with integrated pull-out sprayer, and on select models, a French door residential fridge with ice maker. On the exterior, the Montana High Country models have excellent amenities, such as electric awning with LED lights, enormous drop frame pass-through storage, more ride step above entry steps with strut assist, and heated central outdoor water center. Most models also have an automatic leveling system. That comes in super handy. For those of you considering early spring, late fall, or even winter camping, you got to check out the 4 Seasons package, which is tested and approved for 0-degree use. This includes extra insulation such as R21 equivalent insulation in the floors and an R38 equivalent insulated roof. Insulated and heated holding tanks, enclosed and heated low point drains, 35,000 BTU furnace, 15,000 BTU AC in both the living room and bedroom, and of course, that beautiful LED fireplace. Perfect for full-timers and great for new RVers who prefer comfort when they're camping, the Keystone Montana High Country fifth wheels are certainly worth a serious look.